Okay, so now we're going to learn a little bit more about the equipment we're going to be using for pickleball and the anatomy of the court, what all these different lines mean. So this is an actual pickleball paddle. They make many different kinds out of many different materials. If you would ever want to adapt for younger ages, we can also use the hard plastic paddles, and even for some younger students, just to add a little bit of safety, we can use the larger foam paddles. Of course, the pickleball. Pickleballs can be different. There's two different types that you can use. The first type is one that is used for indoors, in which the holes might be a little bit bigger, and the one that we would use outside, the holes would be smaller. This would be because of the wind, so smaller holes outside would definitely be less affected by the wind. So let's take a look at the court real quick. So a badminton court, a pickleball court, is 20 feet wide by 44 feet long. The net should be roughly about 36 inches high. And some of the different parts of the court. If you look between the net and this line right here, this 7 foot by 20 foot area is called the no volley zone. No pickleball player is allowed to be in the zone to hit a ball or even reach to hit it and follow through it. A player is permitted to, however, lean over to hit the ball as long as their momentum does not carry them into the no volley zone. So, the next part of the court that we need to know, we have our baseline, which is all the way in the back, and that is where we're going to be completing our serving from. Whenever we serve, both of our feet should be behind the baseline. We also have two different service boxes. We have the right service box, and we also have the left service box. These are very important for whenever we're doing gameplay, because whenever we serve, we have to serve diagonally to the other service box on the other side. So, this is the anatomy of the court and the equipment that we'll be using.